In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily log into your Pinterest account with just a few simple steps. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer, these steps will make your login process smooth and hassle-free. First, let's kick things off by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Pinterest's official website. Just type Pinterest in your search bar or enter the URL directly if you know it. Once there, you'll see the familiar Pinterest home screen, inviting you to both explore and get inspired by endless ideas. If you're already feeling a bit excited, hold on to that because logging in will get you right back to your saved boards and all those creative projects you've been planning. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a login option. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login screen where you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Here, you'll need both your email address and password. It's important to ensure that you're using the email linked to your Pinterest account. Otherwise, you might not be able to access those cherished pins and boards you've curated over time. After entering your email in the designated field, move on to your password. Type in your password carefully to avoid any typos. Now, here's a handy tip. If you're ever unsure about what you've typed, look for the small I icon, usually found within or next to the password bar. Clicking this icon will reveal the password you've entered, allowing you to confirm its accuracy without a doubt. This feature is especially useful if you're in a private setting and want to double-check your keystrokes. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, hit that login button, and just like that, you're all set up and logged into your Pinterest account. It's as simple as entering your details, checking them over with the I icon, and clicking the login button. Now you're back in the world of Pinterest, where inspiration is just a scroll away. While you might be thinking, that's it, remember that the beauty lies in its simplicity. Just head to Pinterest's main website, click on Login, input your credentials, ensure your password is right with the I icon, and you're ready to go. It's quick, it's straightforward, and it's deliberately designed to get you back to what you love doing on Pinterest with minimal fuss. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide on logging into Pinterest. Whether it's for saving recipes, planning events, or just finding new DIY projects, Pinterest is there for you with endless possibilities. If you found this instructional video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this one.